stay tuned with me and I will show you how I made this. I just went a craft store a few days ago, and this is what I bought. This is a lot of kinds of knickknacks. I'm going to use it, but you know, I cannot wait to assemble, and let's see how's the outcome, and let's see what I'm going to use it. But the white color here, that probably isn't going to be used for backup only, but I'm gonna use this ombre color. This is a cute color. It's a kind of a shade of purple, but I really like it a lot, the ombre color. I won't use stick glue for this one because you know I like to recycle my decor, and you know it's easy for me to remove if I won't use glue for this one. But you know, yeah, so it's not hard, just stick it together, and I don't need to use glue. But probably my other small pumpkin and other stuff I'm going to use it, I will use glue for that, but this one I won't use it. It looks cute already. Yeah, it's cute already. There you go. Let's see if it... Nah, I won't use this. Probably I'll use it next time. So this is the orange color that I'm going to put here in the middle. So it's gonna be like contrast to my ombre color. So it's gonna be cute. I'm almost done here and I cannot wait to hang this to our door, and yeah, I think it turned very good. Yeah, thank you. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you guys next time. Bye everyone.